Hi, Wayne here from Sears Parts Direct. Today, we're going to talk about lawnmowers. If you can't pull the starter rope on your walk-behind mower after tipping it over for maintenance or cleaning, the engine could be hydrolocked. Hydrolocking happens if you tip the mower the wrong way and oil flows into the engine cylinder, keeping the piston from moving. Don't worry, we can help you fix the problem without a visit to the repair shop. First, put a rag down to catch the oil. Pull off the spark plug wire and move it out of the way, then remove the spark plug. Pull the starter rope several times to clear oil out of the cylinder. You'll see oil spray out of the spark plug hole. Wipe off the oil and reinstall the spark plug. Then connect the spark plug wire. Pull the starter rope to start the engine. A lot of white smoke will come out of the muffler as the engine sputters to life, because the engine is burning off the oil inside the cylinder. Once the engine burns off the oil, the mower should run smoothly. To avoid hydrolocking the engine in the future, follow the owner's manual instructions for tilting your mower. With most push mowers, you can tip the mower backward or on its side with the air filter facing upward. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at searspartsdirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.